Hi friends, welcome to the creative channel. I am Akilan and in this video we are going to watch how to turn on two-step verification to our Google account. Let us watch the video now. Please share your comment and suggestions. While going outside, please wear a mask, maintain social distance and don't forget to sanitize your hands with a hand wash. Open your browser and go to google.com. Click your profile picture. Click manage your Google account. Go to security tab. Scroll down and go to two-step verification. Click get started. For a security, log in with your Google account. Click show more options. Text message or voice call. Choose whether you want to receive the codes as text message or voice call. Now enter your mobile number. Confirm your phone number whether it is correct. After entering your mobile number, click next. Enter the verification code sent to your mobile number. After entering the verification code, click next. Click turn on. That's all friends. Now you know how to turn on two-step verification in our Google account. If you want to turn off, click turn off button. If we enabled two-step verification in our Google account, anyone wants to log in, they need to enter the verification code sent to their registered mobile number to log in to Google. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to sponsor us, please contact the email address provided in the about section. Do not hesitate to contact. Sanitizer please. While going outside, please wear a mask, maintain social distance and don't forget to sanitize your hands with a hand wash.